It has changed from when I was a girl. I mean, you know, they used to call it the bad old Tiger Bay, but it wasn't bad.
No. There's only a few of us left.
Is it?
Yeah.
And does the community offer a lot of help to you? Does they give you much activity, or it's just forgotten?
Yeah, but all forgotten.
We are still Tiger Bayites.
Spirits.
Do you know what I mean? The spirit is still there. And that goes to show that when somebody dies and they see it in the paper, or it goes from one to the other, they'll come from everywhere. Rummy, they've even come from the States.
This represents the time of the demolition. Can you see the big claw there, getting ready to pull the houses down?
Yeah, so
this was Loudon Square. This was supposed to be Loudon Square. And there's an old bridge that was through municipal vandalism, the Grangetown Clarence Road Bridge was destroyed, but you can see a painting of the original Nur al-Islam mosque.
They never used to call them mosques. They used to call them zawiyas. Yeah, we had the zawiya, and it used to be wonderful. They used to have Arab Christmas, and they'd all be in their gowns, and all, you know,
Is
the
that
colours.
all gone now?
Oh, it's all gone. And then we used to all be behind them singing La ilaha illallah. You know?
La ilaha illallah, I know what it means.
And then we used to go in there and they'd give us alawah, they'd give us money, they'd give us fruit, they'd give us goats and rice. You put a scarf on your head, you know what I mean?
That's true, yeah.
And my mother used to say, going and asking people for food, but it wasn't. It was a novelty.
Well, what's unique about Tiger Bay and the Docks is a community made from seafaring people going back 130 years, and they came from the 4 quarters of the world and created about 57 different nationalities of people who lived here together as one community. Not as an Arab community, a Somali community, a Maltese community, a Portuguese community. They lived as one community.
We had Greeks, we had Chinese, we had Russians, we had Swedish, we had Jews, we had the lots. But we all mixed in together. And as I said, most of our fathers all went to sea.
When I was growing up, you could be born here, midwives would come in your house and help your mother give birth for you. You would go to school in the community. After you finished school, you'd go to work in the community. And then when you got old, you stayed in the community. And when you died, old ladies used to come in the house and wash the bodies. Everything was done in the community.